I'm Leo Siderio. Hi Idol, dito tayo sa GC Premier House of Franchise. Tara, pasok tayo sa loob. Idol, dito sa House of Franchise, marami tayo food concept. Para sa dropshipping, retailing, wholesaling, yan po yun. Kagaya nito, coffee, but better ng GC Premier. Okay, next card, the Potato King Premium Flavored Rice. Okay, next card, Ocha Milk Tea. Ocha Anytime. Okay, next card, best seller ng Siupaw, Siupaw the King. Okay, next card, at ang buy-bundat, mabubundat ka sa sarap. Okay, next card, Noodle Sauce Card Original from Hong Kong. At ang number 1 franchising Hall of Famer, Siumai King. Idol, kung gusto mong ganitong negosyo, dropshipping, wholesaling, and retailing, message mo ako. Ako mismo ang gag-guide sa'yo. Thank you.